Hello and welcome to KIBS Quick Tips. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use live loops in Garageband. First, click Create Song. Then press the Live Loops button. Next, you need to choose either New, and that means you'll have a blank template, or you can select a genre of music you want. I'm going to select the rock style of music. To edit your song, you need to press the Format button. This will allow you to do different things with each tile. From this screen, you can select each block and then move them individually wherever you want on the screen where there's a blank space, or you can select multiple blocks and then you can move them all together. It's up to you. By selecting each instrument, you can also delete a whole row of tiles, or you can also duplicate them. When you select an empty tile, you can choose from a variety of different sounds and instruments that you want to use. Alternatively, you could also type in an instrument that you want to use, press the tile to hear it play. When you've got all your tiles ready, you press the record button. You then press the little arrows at the bottom to hear each column play. Don't forget to check out these educators on Twitter for more top tips on using Garageband.